Today you'll be learning how to engage with customers on Instagram through creative placements, posting formats, and communication tools. By the end of this lesson, you'll be prepared to identify the various types of formats and placements available on Instagram, understand the Instagram tools that businesses can effectively use to communicate with their customers, and learn strategies for building and strengthening relationships with your customers on Instagram. People come from all over the world to Instagram to connect, share, and discover. Businesses, regardless of their size, can leverage this platform to reach a global audience, share their stories, and build meaningful relationships with their customers. For businesses, Instagram offers a platform to create content that showcases their products or services in different formats, such as images and videos. You can publish this content in various places on Instagram, including feeds, stories, videos, reels, shops, and explore. Posts are an excellent way to educate people about your products and services. Use posts to share single or multiple photos and videos. Instagram Reels allow you to create entertaining multi-clip videos up to 90 seconds long. You can edit them with music, audio clips, special effects, and creative tools. To develop deeper connections with your customers on Instagram, consider these strategies. Regularly sharing content that interests your audience. Post consistently to maintain an active presence. Instagram Stories is a powerful tool to do so if that aligns with your brand. Engaging with your audience. Ask questions in your captions to gather feedback and learn more about your customers' needs. Ensure your posts and responses are consistent. New Instagram accounts are initially personal accounts by default. However, when you convert your personal account into a business account, you gain access to a range of free tools and features to help you achieve your marketing goals. Go to your Instagram profile and tap the three lines in the upper right-hand corner. Now tap Settings. Tap Account. Scroll to the bottom of the list and tap Switch to a business profile. Switch to a business account. Now that you have your Instagram business account set up, let's explore how to make the most of it. With your business account, you can make it easier for people to contact you. You can do things like adding contact information to include a contact button on your business profile, adding category labels to tell people what your business sells or offers, and adding an action button to help customers take specific actions like ordering food or book now. Your business account provides valuable insights like Instagram Insights to learn how your posts, stories, reels, live videos, and promoted posts perform, or discovering who your audience is and what type of content they respond to the most. With the professional dashboard, you can create promotions, set your shop up on Instagram, get tips and best practices from the Instagram team, and view high-quality content from other businesses. Congratulations, you now have a business profile and know all the benefits of using one. Great job. To summarize, remember to build connections by sharing engaging content that showcases your business, and strengthen relationships by responding to comments and messages. By following these strategies and using the various creative formats and placements available to you on Instagram, you can effectively engage your customers and build lasting relationships.